the field today doing a carbon cleaning with Suburban Propane out here in San Diego area. As you can see, the truck here, we got the hood open, got the hydrogen hose going up there, as you can see, and then it goes down into the unit. So we're getting ready to do this cleaning for this company and get some amazing results.
Now the Revive unit is on and we have started the cleaning process. As you can see here, this is a monitoring device that analyzes the J1939 software for the DPF cleaning. Now we are analyzing the data out of the J1939 and the software to look at the back pressure when it gets elevated. Then we're also looking at the NOx. As you can see, the NOx has an extremely low number. We are at -7. That is an extremely great results due to the hydrogen technology. The truck has now fallen out of regen, and these are the ending numbers for the results. And as you can see here, we have dramatically reduced back pressure. Also, back pressure will go down a lot lower once you drive the vehicle. And then you can also see that the NOx reduction at the idle is still a super low number.